Welcome to Motorcycle Enhancements, where we check out everything that we need to do. When we just do a typical tire change, we go over a bunch of stuff. The axle, in this case, we've removed the nut on this side, and we're trying to pull it out of this side, and it's seized in the hub of the wheel. Another thing we found, and removing this, you can see that I'm going to grab the pipe at this end over here, and I'm just going to wiggle. I'm going to zoom in. You can literally see the bolts are missing, and this is totally unsafe. If this muffler falls off, it's going to be devastating. So we're going to fix that. There's a reason why there are service manuals that indicate intervals of service levels, chassis lubrication, and what we just did was part of the chassis inspection. We're now draining the final drive oil. I've loosened off the drain bolt, and I'm going to inspect the oil coming out of there. Yeah, and it's dirty, rusty brown, and that is not a good indication of maintenance that has been done to this motorcycle. That's supposed to be a color of clear gear oil, and it looks like there was some missing because it was low on oil. There's hardly any oil in this thing. After further inspection of the final drive, it is a little wet here, so it is not dry, but it gives an indication of a leaky seal. Hence there was low oil in the final drive. It's been coming out of here. And if we move over to the drive shaft area, you can see the crud inside of this. This will all be cleaned out and reassembled. Gasket removed. Well, we do have a seal in stock for this, so we're gonna replace it. Okay, remove the clip. Peel off the shaft, and as you can see inside, totally rusted, and we just caught this, but it needs to be replaced. You can see the gears on here are all worn out, all due to neglect. Inside there, all rusty. We're going to clean off all this area, temporarily put everything back together with grease, but parts will need to be replaced here. We've removed all the rust and spray cleaned it, and you can actually see the gear. If you look at 12 o'clock, that gear is just on its way out. It's holding on very, very thin. You can see at the top of the spline how thick it should be, and in the middle section you can see it's all worn out, and then at the base you can see how thick it is. So that's just on its way out. It's a good thing we caught it. He'd be stuck on the road like we'd had to pick up another client's a few weeks ago. Thanks for watching. Please give us a call, get your bike serviced and maintained here at Motorcycle Enhancements. We keep all service records for all our customers' bikes, and thanks for watching.